G'day, welcome back to another Northwest Historical Railway video. Today we're not actually going to Brookview Station, we're going to be visiting the house of one of the railway's volunteers. This is Cedric, and this is his home. When he's not driving trains for us, Cedric is in the backyard, working in the garden. He loves old machinery, so when he mows the lawn he uses an old push reel mower. His favourite flower is the marigold, and he grows plenty of those along the pathway along the backyard. Cedric also looks after some fruit and vegetable plots. He grows enough lettuce that he never has to buy any from the shops, and he grows so many cherry tomatoes that he has to share them with the neighbours. But despite doing all this gardening and loving old-fashioned machinery, Cedric doesn't even own a wheelbarrow. So you may wonder how on earth he transports all the mulch and soil. Well, did you really expect anything else? Cedric built a railway in his backyard to transport all his gardening material. That's right, when he's not driving trains for the big railway, he's at home, driving trains on the little railway. To show you how the process works, Cedric and his neighbour Roger are going to set up a train full of freshly picked tomatoes. You may wonder where all those tomatoes are going. Well, it's a Saturday morning, and Roger's daughter Louisa knows that if she waits at the back fence on a Saturday morning, Cedric will bring her a wagon full of tomatoes, and she gets the first pick of the crop. Well, that's a quick look into the backyard of our volunteer train driver Cedric. We hope you enjoyed learning a bit more about him, and I'm sure he'd love to show us his railway again in the future. Till next time!